How to add widgets to home screen. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can add widgets to our home screen, whether it is iPhone or Android, because the process is just the same. Now, whether it is Android or iPhone, you want to add widgets to your home screen, you have to simply look for an empty space on your home screen. So long press on an empty space on your home screen. Now, in the case of iPhone, you have to tap the edit icon, which you can see from the top left, and there you'll find the option called add widget. So tap on the add widget button. Now here we can simply choose the type of widget from different applications. So you can say batteries widget or functional widget, or maybe you want to add a clock widget. However kind of widget it is, just long press on that widget and then drag it onto your home screen like that. And once you tap the done button, you can see we've successfully added the widget to our iPhone. So this way you can repeat the process to add the widget on any iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.